that it has hit headlines where statement आयला तर PIN statement दिल त्यांना DGP नाव काढलं म्हणून आमचे DGP going so. My first thing which I want to say is, I had always said that there is a big fish involved, a big IPS and a senior IPS officer involved. Now he has made a statement where he has disclosed the name. He has given details of the calls which were made from time to time and how he was being directed to the matter be handed over to CBI for investigation because there are high players involved, and I demand that all the call details between those named in that statement of the PI should be immediately obtained, and if these kind of things happen and there is a man in uniform who is going to be heading the police machinery, God forgive, God help us, we will never get justice and the common man will left on the lurch in the road. बारीक मनीस police station वयता तेन्ना तुमची असले परिस्थिती कितें जातले ते when you have big players and big fish involved in this matter. I think if any statement is being given, they should come clean on these things. They should keep the Chief Minister to walk the talk that we will not spare anyone. He has also said that we will not allow the case to be taken back. This is not just a case against that lady and that family. This is a case against the state, and therefore there is a duty and obligation on the part of the Chief Minister to pursue. The thing which the Chief Minister should do is relieve him of the duties, and they can definitely write to the Home Ministry that send a replacement. But that does not mean ambisho transfer murna. Ka transfer murna to chin naka sutlo mun.